Hello, welcome to Knexed. This episode features a Seaking helicopter. Seakings are produced by Sikorsky in the United States. They are used as search and rescue helicopters. The most famous Seaking variety is the one used as a United States presidential helicopter, Marine One. This helicopter consists of between 2,000 and 3,000 Knex pieces. It is built on an approximate scale of 1 to 10. This model is almost 180 centimeters long, and the body of the helicopter is about 30 centimeters wide. It features a motor that spins the blades. It also has 3 wheels. They are the weaker points of the build because on just 3 points they have to support all the weight. This model took about 20 hours of building time. One of the features is that it has a sliding door that can open and close here. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next episode of Knexed.